Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best titanium nail is probably one of the most essential components for any dab rig enthusiast. This little piece of metal is responsible for vaporizing your concentrates, and it can greatly impact your overall dabbing experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of titanium nails, exploring their pros and cons, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your sessions. Number 5. USA-made 99% isopropyl alcohol, IPA, 1 liter. This is a high-purity isopropyl alcohol, perfect for a variety of uses. It's made in the USA and meets USPNF grade standards, ensuring its quality and effectiveness. With a 99% concentration, this rubbing alcohol provides powerful cleaning and disinfecting capabilities. It's ideal for sanitizing surfaces and various applications where a strong solvent is needed. This product adheres to USPNF grade standards, which means it meets rigorous quality control measures. You can trust its purity and reliability for your needs. Proudly made in the USA, this isopropyl alcohol offers consistent quality. The manufacturing process ensures that it meets the highest standards. The 1-liter bottle provides a generous supply for both personal and professional use. It's a practical choice for anyone needing a reliable and effective cleaning solution. What we like. This 99% IPA is perfect for cleaning your dab rig. Its USPNF grade ensures a high level of purity, and being made in the USA means quality you can trust. If you are looking for a reliable and effective cleaning solution for your rig, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great, beautiful clean parts with no residue. Works well at cleaning out my water pipes. 99% IPA has worked well when used properly. I've mainly used this IPA after cutting polishing a vehicle, and I use it for a few other reasons on occasion. One thing 99% IPA works well at removing is the graphite that is created by the aluminum panels of an aerospace engine's cowling. Cuts right through that sticky greasy graphite. Number 4. MasterMedi Tongue Scraper, 2-pack. Are you looking for a way to freshen your breath and improve your oral hygiene? This tongue scraper from MasterMedi is designed to do just that. It helps remove the white coating on your tongue, leading to fresher breath and better overall health. Made from durable stainless steel, this tongue cleaner is built to last. It helps keep your tongue plaque-free, enhances your taste buds, and is easy to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher. The U-shaped curve is flexible and designed to reach all areas of your tongue. This personal care essential is designed for smooth and easy use, with non-slip handles for a secure grip. This 2-piece kit comes with individual cases, making it perfect for travel. Keep one at home and one at work. It's a convenient size for adults and easy to clean. MasterMedi is a well-regarded brand in dental hygiene. They offer excellent customer support and a 30-day return policy. If you're not happy with it, you can return it without any questions. What we like. This tongue scraper is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. It helps reduce bad breath, boosting your confidence. If you want to maintain better oral hygiene and enjoy fresh breath on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. The titanium nail heats up very quickly. The nail is easy to clean. The product is well made. Number 3. Stiletto TACLW12 Titanium Nail Puller. This nail puller is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. It's designed to provide consistent performance, making your work easier and more efficient. This product is manufactured in Taiwan. It delivers consistent accuracy and performance, allowing you to get the job done right every time. Crafted from lightweight solid titanium, this tool is easy to handle. It's designed to lighten up your bags without sacrificing strength. Experience super strong prying power with this tool. It's built to tackle tough tasks with ease, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Compared to steel bars, this product offers less recoil shock. This feature enhances user comfort and control during operation. It's designed to be comfortable to hold, even during extended use. This ergonomic design ensures a secure grip and reduces hand fatigue. What we like. This titanium nail puller is lightweight yet incredibly strong, providing superior prying power. It also offers less recoil shock compared to steel bars, making it easier to use. If you are looking for a durable and efficient tool that is easy to handle, you should consider this. What people say. This Stiletto titanium cat paw is extremely light, great quality, and I am super happy with this product. Provides decent leverage removing nails. Excellent quality. It is extremely lightweight, obviously since it is titanium, but it is also well designed with two pulling surfaces and excellent angles for generating leverage. It also has a design element represented by the hole near the larger head that allows you to access nail heads that are flush with the wood. This is a big plus and works well. Number 2. Suiwotin 16 PCS Wax Carving Tool Kit. Introducing the Suiwotin 16 PCS Wax Carving Tool Kit. This comprehensive set is designed for all your sculpting needs, offering precision and versatility. The kit includes 16 stainless steel tools. Each tool is double-headed, providing a variety of shapes and sizes for different sculpting techniques. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They are durable and sturdy, ensuring they can withstand repeated use. The non-slip knurled handles provide a comfortable grip. This design prevents the tools from slipping, giving you greater control and precision. These tools are perfect for carving, cutting, modeling, and shaping. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, they will help you achieve delicate and detailed effects. The tools come in 4 stylish colors: black, gold, and rainbow. Each color includes 4 pieces, making it easy to organize and identify your tools. What we like. This 16-piece wax carving tool set is made of durable stainless steel. The non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. If you like to have a variety of tools for your carving needs, this set is perfect for you. What people say. They work very well and they are very resilient. I've bought them a few times and will probably purchase again. Got these for rosin, and they're perfect for loading up a coil. Wipe clean, and have a good heft to them. Each piece is double-ended, which gives you a lot of options depending on what you're working with. Number 1. Replacement 10mm Titanium Carving Tool, 2-pack. Introducing the Replacement 10mm Titanium Carving Tool. This tool is designed for precision and durability. It will help you achieve the finest details in your carving projects. Crafted from high-quality titanium, this carving tool offers exceptional strength and longevity. It's built to withstand the rigors of demanding carving tasks, ensuring it lasts for a long time. The 10mm size is perfect for intricate work. It allows you to create detailed designs with ease. This tool will make your carving experience more efficient and enjoyable. This set includes 2 carving tools, providing you with a spare. You'll always have a replacement on hand. It's a great value for any serious carver. Enhance your carving projects with this premium tool. It's a must-have for both beginners and experienced artisans. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This 10mm titanium carving tool comes in a convenient 2-pack. It is designed for precision and durability. If you are looking for a reliable and high-quality carving tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Heavier gauge TI than the OEM one that came with my rig, larger bore, the mass holds heat much better than the OEM one did. They work great, they don't even clog, so exactly what I wanted. Exactly what we wanted with a larger bore hole. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.